much, you will definitely struggle to have control. I like having this much control. Now I'm pressing at the back. Okay, now in the middle, little bit, and then turn and go around like that. Isn't that just pretty? And I do have to say, I do find that the Wilton 1M tip is the only one that makes the roses as pretty as this. Okay, let's do another one. They look so rustic, that's cool. Okay, if you see the cake, you'll see why the frosting is like this as well. Starting right in the middle, twirling, and going until my cupcake is done. It's pretty, isn't it? Can't believe I did that in the air. And then, same rule, when you do this, okay, let me see if I can let you guys see a little bit more. There we go. I'm holding firm at the top, so all of the frosting starts from the back. I have control over my bag. I'm keeping this hand here, pressing in the middle, and then swirling around. There we go. Pressing in the middle, and then swirling around. Now,